Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about medicinal floss and its benefits. The term floss are sometimes known as blooms or blossoms, and it is the beautiful, attractive part of the plants, and also it is the reproductive structure of every flowering plant. The importance of floss in nature is seen everywhere. It can feed insects, birds, animals, and also human by providing natural medicines. In modern medicine, the main ingredients are the plants, flowers, seeds, and roots, and provide the medicine without any scary side effects. Here, in this video, we can learn about a list of medicinal flowers. Hibiscus. Botanical name Hibiscus rosa sinensis belongs to the family Malvaceae. It is a bushy, evergreen shrub with glossy leaves and brilliant colored flowers. These plants are known for their flowers. These blossoms with different colors can make decorative additions and helps to cure diseases. These plants are widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions as an ornamental plants. The red variety of hibiscus are mostly used in the medicines. Medicinal uses of hibiscus. The tea with sour taste prepared by using hibiscus helps to cure digestive problems and improves digestion. Hibiscus plays a major role in preventing liver damage. Hibiscus also helps in managing blood pressure. The juice extracted from their petals and leaves helps to increase the hair growth. Sunflower. Botanical name Helianthus anus and belongs to the family Asteraceae. It is the plant with erect, rough, hairy stem with disc-shaped flowers. The name sunflower is derived from Greek, where Helios means sun and Anthus means flower. Sunflowers are domesticated for their edible uses and also cultivated as an ornamental plant for its spectacular size and flower head. Medicinal uses of sunflower. Sunflowers contain anti-inflammatory properties that can iron out the symptoms of cold and cough. It acts as a substitute for quinine in treatment of malaria. These flowers are rich in antioxidants and destroys the unstable molecules and maintains the body weight. Sunflowers are rich in providing vitamin E. Lavender. Botanical name Lavandula belongs to the family Lamiaceae. Lavenders are small, evergreen shrub with grey-green leaves. The purple floss has a number of applications in herbal medicine. Lavender species are common in herb gardens as an ornamental plant for its fragrant leaves and attractive purple floss. Lavender is used in medicinal products and as a fragrance ingredient used in cosmetics, perfumes, etc. Medicinal uses of lavender. The flowers are used as a herbal medicine either in the form of lavender oil and as a tea. Lavender oil contains antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties which helps to cure, heal burns and also relieve pain after surgery. Lavenders are used to reduce blood pressure, heart rate, and it is also used to treat asthma. Night blooming jasmine. Botanical name Sistrum nocturnum belongs to the family Solanaceae. Night blooming jasmine is evergreen woody shrub with narrow, simple leaves. These plants are grown in subtropical regions as an ornamental plant for its flowers that are heavily perfumed at night. These plants flowers up to 4 times per year. The leaves and flowers of night blooming jasmines are used as a medicine. Medicinal uses of night blooming jasmine. Night blooming jasmine have been used in traditional medicine for applications on burns, wounds, and skin eruptions. It also cures headache, nervous imbalances, and also treats night sweats. It has antiviral and antibacterial health benefits and helps to cure malaria. Marigold. Botanical name Tagetes erecta belongs to the family Asteraceae. Marigold species have pinnate green leaves and it blooms naturally, occurs in yellow, orange and white colors. These flowers are used in decorations, perfumes, cosmetics, etc. Marigold flowers has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Medicinal uses of marigold. Marigold floss are used for immune response. It is used to cure stomach pain, reduces eye infection and protects from UV and prevents oxidative damages. Marigold floss are also used to prevent hair loss.
Want to know more about these topics? Please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.